In Sri Lanka, President Anukumara Dissanayake has made it clear that the drug menace is not merely a law enforcement issue but a national emergency. The government is undertaking wide-ranging institutional reforms, enhancing coordination among the police, military and intelligence services, introducing new legislation, leveraging modern technology to disrupt drug syndicates and taking decisive action to eliminate corruption within the prison system. Equally, we are investing in early intervention awareness campaigns and community-based rehabilitation, particularly targeting our youth. Importantly, the President has also called for moral leadership at the community level, engaging temples, schools and civil society in this collective effort. This holistic approach is essential because the layered impacts of drug use, ranging from health disorders to family breakdown, crime and economic decline are felt across all segments of society. This is not a challenge any country can tackle alone. We must strengthen prevention through education, invest in counseling and rehabilitation and adopt more strategic coordinating actions. The Colombo Plan can lead this effort by fostering collaboration, encouraging the exchange of best practices and supporting the development of strong health and law enforcement systems across the region.
Of that Colombo Plan plaque.